I feel like feta has been having a moment in the food world. It's become super popular between the baked feta pasta on TikTok, whipped feta that I've seen all over the internet, and so many more. So, of course, I have to add my own take on this trend and make you a delicious, spicy whipped feta dip. Feta is a type of soft cheese that is super creamy and delicious. Depending on where you buy it from, it may be made from different types of milk. Feta can be made from sheep's milk, goat milk, or commonly in the US, cow's milk. Feta is an awesome cheese. You can buy it either crumbled, or I prefer to buy it as a whole block in the brine. It just stays better that way. However you buy it or eat it, it is a delicious cheese that definitely deserves to be highlighted. This is why feta is the star of the show today for our whipped feta dip. Now, this dip isn't what you found or probably had before. It has a nice spicy bite, which in my opinion makes it different and unique from all the other recipes that I've tried. We're using a little bit of a secret ingredient, and that is Calabrian chili peppers. There are a few ingredients that you'll need to make this dip, including feta, of course, but we'll also be using Greek yogurt as the base to this dip. Plus, you'll need a few extra things to add in some flavors, including lemon juice, olive oil, Calabrian chili peppers, garlic, and salt and pepper. Honestly, this dip is so simple you probably don't even really need a recipe, but hey, I'm gonna show you how to make it anyways. You'll need a food processor or a high-powered blender. We're going to add all of our ingredients into the food processor aside from the lemon juice and the olive oil. So simply dump all of your ingredients into the food processor and turn it on high. We're wanting all of the feta chunks to break up and for a nice, smooth, textured paste to come out. From here, you'll leave the food processor on and slowly stream in the lemon juice and the olive oil. Both of these ingredients are just going to help everything come together seamlessly and smoothly. The part about whipped feta that's so delicious and so enjoyable is how creamy and silky smooth it is. So we're adding the lemon juice and the olive oil in, just of course for some added flavor, but then also to help it get super rich, creamy, and smooth. Take your time with this process because you do want to make sure everything is really well incorporated, so scrape down the sides as needed. Don't be lazy, I get it, I do that sometimes too, but take the time to scrape everything down, reincorporate it if you need to pulse it or whip it on high for a couple more minutes. That works just to make sure everything is perfectly combined. That's literally how easy the whole entire recipe is. I told you, you probably didn't need a recipe. Now for the fun part, we get to serve it and plate it all up. So grab a serving bowl of your choice and pour all of the whipped feta in. Then you can use our fun little garnishes you saw a peek of at the beginning of the video. We'll add some extra olive oil on top. You can drizzle as much or as little as you would like. Of course, we have to add some additional Calabrian chili pepper paste. This is especially great for anybody who loves that extra bite of spiciness. They can dip right in that center. And then you can finish it off with some toasted sesame seeds and some green onions cut on the bias. This is gonna make the dish super enticing. Trust me, everybody is going to want to eat it. And then don't forget to serve your dip alongside some pita wedges or some fresh crudités. I love cucumbers and bell peppers, but you can use whatever you prefer. The full recipe with all the measurements, specific ingredients, and equipment that you need will be linked in the description below, so make sure to check that out to get the recipe, print it off, and save it for later because you're gonna definitely want to make it. And if you love cooking at home or learning new things about becoming an awesome home chef, definitely subscribe because I have lots more videos coming to the channel soon that are gonna teach you how to step up your game in the kitchen. All right, until then, I'll see you next time.